do this. I don't want to do this.
Yo, what's up?
I really need your help, man. I don't think I can do this.
Dude, you are not messing this up again.
Look, you've been talking about this for like 2 weeks and now you want to dip out? What are you, a wimp?
Yes, I am.
Look, man.
You've been waiting for this moment for your whole life. Are you really gonna give that up?
No. Fine. I'm gonna do this.
You're gonna do this.
I'm gonna do this.
No, Sam.
Are you going to do this?
I'm gonna
Do this!
You're gonna do this!
Ah!
Okay.
Good luck, bro. And don't forget to bring that banana to her.
Yeah,
I still don't really think it's a great gift.
just trust me on this. She loves bananas.
All girls love bananas.
Alright.
I'll catch you later. Sorry. Excuse me?
State your name and place of origin.
I'm, Sam Fry. I'm from Kentucky. Do you mind if I just, squeeze by you,
Fry of Kentucky, by decree from the Lord of this land, no one shall pass unless proven worthy by me, the Ring Warden.
Hello?
There's some weird fucking
night guy at the door and he won't let me ring the doorbell.
shit, dude.
She is a ring warden.
He's a ring warden.
You haven't heard about this? It's this new experimental home security thing.
It's supposed to be super effective because the dudes are hypnotized. I think it's like the 1600s or something.
Okay.
So how the fuck do I let him to get me through?
I don't know, just
Treat it like a wild animal or something, you know? Don't look right in its eyes.
Helpful, thanks.
I'll get that bag.
Hey. So... What am I supposed to do again?
I will not repeat myself. Prove your worth or suffer the smite of my sword.
It's not even a fair fight. I don't even have a weapon. Okay, so that's a weapon.
This moment will decide your fate.
Fuck. Oh God, please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. Please don't be dead. Ring the doorbell.
Sam, Damn, you're here. Hi. I thought I heard a weird noise outside. Where's the Ring Warden?
Ring what? What is that?
I don't even know what that is.
Anyways, shall we?
Yeah, we shall. Aw. Bananas are my favorite.
Yeah, no. Who would even throw a banana on the ground? Who would even do that? Loser!
Okay.
State your name and purpose of... Fuck.
Our parent, fuck.
Okay, just settle. Perfect, cut.
By decree from the Lord of this land.
Okay.
There's a plane in your car.
No one shall